started prepping my face with my regular Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer. Moving on to my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have very large pores and this primer works wonders in concealing them. I'm using my Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Brownie Point. I love the deep brown color of it, so I'm using it for my contour. I'm creating a lot of depth around my nose and eyes for a chiseled look. I'm also planning to do a heavy eye makeup with the cut crease method. You can see I'm not blending the contour completely. I'm just moving the product around a little bit in the place because I want the look to be very chiseled with a deep contour. Next, I'm using my favorite foundation combos. I'm really not going to take their names, it's a mouthful. So please find the names in the description box. I usually choose my foundations to be a shade or two lighter than my skin tone. I don't choose the exact skin tone foundation and then use a lot of highlighters to brighten my face. I use a lighter shade to brighten my face and then use contour around it to give some depth. As you can see here, I'm even cleaning up my contour with my same foundation. I'm not using a separate concealer to do this. Next, I'm using my favorite corrector. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Peach. I use the same product all over my dark spots and to conceal my under eye dark circles. I use the damp beauty blender to blend in all the products under my eyes for a seamless finish. I use the leftover over my lids. I'm quickly setting my under eyes and my lids using the lighter shade from my highlighter and contour palette from Wet n Wild. Slightly blending in the peach correctors over my dark spots. I'm using the deeper shade from the same palette and I'm just setting in all the places where I used contour. Also using the lighter shade again just to blend in the places where my contour meets the other area of skin where I had used foundation. I'm quickly doing my eyebrows. I like to keep my eyebrows a bit thick, overlined. I use a dark brown brow pencil from e.l.f. and I'm also using a eyeshadow, a deeper brown eyeshadow as my powder, as my brow powder. I'm using a deeper pinkish red eyeshadow as my first color all over my eyelids. I'm taking it to my crease, almost touching the brows, and I'm also taking it a little more outer, and I'm also filling in my lower lids. I'm using my favorite peach corrector over here and I am filling in my first 2/3 of the lids doing the cut crease method. I'm using a pearly pink eyeshadow over the areas where I have used the concealer to do the cut crease on the lids. I'm slowly blending in both the colors, the lighter and the darker shades, on the last 1/3 of the lid. Literally doing the same thing on the other eyes. I'm blending all the harsh lines with a big fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. I'm using my e.l.f. eyeliner to draw a dramatic, long and thick wing. I'm again using the darker eyeshadow just to blend in the last 2/3 on my lower lids. I'm quickly filling in the waterline on the upper lids. Guys, this is my favorite step. I love doing my lashes. I'm just quickly curling them with the regular eyelash curler and going on with my favorite mascara. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. I'm using the Moonlight Pearls from e.l.f. Just quickly highlighting my cheekbones and my brow bones. I'm going to quickly line my lips and fill in with the brown shade lip pencil It's from Calabar, and I'm going to top it off with liquid lipsticks from NYX in the shade Monte Carlo. Combining the reddish and the brownish tone would give me a good burgundy color, which I'm going for. And I'm going to set the lipstick first in place with compact powder. Then I might top it off with another lipstick, which is my favorite from Milani. I'll go ahead and share it in the description box. As you can see here, I have achieved a beautiful burgundy shade on my lips. I'm quickly going ahead and setting it with a loose setting powder. Now I'm going to work on my hair, planning to straighten it. So I'm going to divide my hair into small portions, take each section one by one. I'm going to straighten it with my hair straightener. Just doing my last bits. I'm just adding in my earrings and I'm setting my hair. I'm taking a center partition and setting my baby hairs in place with a clean dry spoolie. I'm just finishing my eye look with some falsies. These are from Red Cherry Eyelashes and I really don't remember the name, so I'll just add in the name in the description box. Just topping off my final lip color with some Milani Bold Matte lipstick. I think it's in the shade I'm Fierce, trying to achieve a burgundy reddish look. So that's it guys. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you, bye.